Today, let's shop at Hobby Lobby for all their new fall crafts. Be sure to check out my Hobby Lobby videos part 1 and 2 that cover Hobby Lobby's fall decor. Make sure to subscribe down below and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started. Here they have their section of all of the fall crafts. So they have like little books here. They have these leaves. And then this set of acrylic paint in fall color. You can color these, paint these turkeys, and it comes with the paint and the brush. Originally priced at $6. And then you can also paint and color these pumpkins as well. They have just the plain one pumpkin, and then they have this 3 stacked pumpkins, which is nice. And then here are things you can also paint: this sunflower, an owl. They have these pumpkins up here as well. And then they even have like these coloring books for fall. And then look at these mini ones too. And then they also have the larger pumpkins, this like garland with the leaves. Then they also have these Hello Fall signs where you can paint. And then they also have these stencils up here too, which is nice. And then they have these turkey masks. Build your own turkey, make a pumpkin, whole bunch of different things. And then if you're also doing crafts, here are all of their craft supplies for the fall. Tons of different things. You can color in turkeys, owls, make your own turkey with all the supplies. They have all these stickers, then even like these painting kits as well, fuzzy art, these melt beads. These are always fun to do. Whole bunch of different things. You can color in all of these things, write down what you're thankful for. More turkey masks, these bookmarks, so fun for the kids. And then this paint by numbers, that's really fun. And then it turns out like that, and it does come with the paint, which is nice. And then look at these paintings, canvases as well, and it comes with the paint too. And then these table decorations, pumpkins, scarecrows. They have more stickers over here, a hedgehog kit, foam kit with the different items, beaded corn, whole bunch of different crafts. Look at this turkey foam kit. They even have embroidering as well as crochet, more needlepoint. And look at these, you can make your own felt ornament. They have a scarecrow, candy corn, a pumpkin. You even have these felt sewing kits. And look at the scarecrow stickers up there. So cute with the turkey stickers. And they have a whole bunch of other patch stickers. So if you're doing like scrapbooking too, this would be really nice. And then a whole bunch of different crafts here. They have this 3D foam kit, this pumpkin, more little signs you can paint, as well as this garland. And then they also have this wall banner where people can write down what they're thankful for as well. And then they have more garland here if you're going to be doing those type of projects. I have a lot of ribbon too. Ones from pumpkin to plaid to just plain simple colors. So neat. And then if you're going to be making your own wreaths, they have the mesh as well. And then look at, they have like these felt pumpkins. They have this garland, more wreaths if you want to make your own. These gift bags up here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.